So I want to ask you, take the time, ask yourself, who am I? Not who my mom thinks I am or what my girlfriend wants me to be or who she wants me to be. Who are you when everything is taken away from you? It's just you and your thoughts. There's no Instagram feed where we can see your photos and who you are. Who are you when there's nobody around? You know, in my opinion and what I've seen in our world today is that young men they struggle with that question. There's a big crisis with the identity because the world is telling them who they should be and what they should be. They are influenced by social media posts and all these influences. There's their mom saying this. They want to now impress their friends and girlfriends, and it filters into adult life.